Inday na nasa nisindok Anderson taga Australia kunuhay pero bisdak ra gihapon. So karong adlaw today guys, we're gonna do another unboxing. Ito na siya guys, here you go. Pang thumbnails. But anyway, here you go. Nandito na yung order ko. So, I ordered some of this product from Myer. So, it's a mixed product, guys. So, mga makeup ito. It's makeup product. So, here you go. I opened it already because I'm super excited. So, hindi na natin patagalin yung ating unboxing. So, this is just the Myers like oh, it's really wrapped properly, which is really good. So, thumbs up to you, Myers. You did a good job on how you pack your package. Because some of the online, when you shop online guys, it didn't pack really well. So some of the products, especially makeup, when it's arrived, it's already broken. So first product I get this Inglot AMC eyeliner gel. So it's vegan gel. It's a eyeliner gel, and I heard a lot of this one from a makeup artist and also some makeup gurus here in YouTube that this eyeliner gel is really good and it's very black. So this is 77, you can see, and it's 5.5 grams, and when you open it, it's lasts for 9 months. So ayan yung may container guys na that's the one. So let's open inside. So gustong-gusto ko talaga itong magkaroon ng ganito guys kasi may ano pala siya guys, it have a like a aluminum foil cover. So wow, oh my god, ang itim niya nga guys. So let's try this one. So might be gonna get my Morphe brush. So let's do the swatch. Wow, super itim niya nga guys. Let's try. Ang itim niya nga. It's very, you see? Wow, I'm super excited to use this one guys, especially to my client. So that's the first items that I got. And next items is this one. So it's on special. I will put the price here, I think. So this one is from Benefit. You can see. And it's super cute. The packaging is really cute. I love the packaging. So this one is a set. It comes with this Hola bronzer. So this is it look like inside. Another one here. Let's try just the paper. So this is its look like. This product is I always wanted is this Hola Benefit. This is a bronzer and it said here believe this bronze. Swipe this matte bronzer all over face or use it to create a natural looking contour. So yeah, this is what I love this bronzer, guys, cause so it said peel it here, so let's peel it here so you can see this matte blah 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 thing. But anyway, let's open. It's really cute. It's not that big. I thought it's really big, but yes, it's 8 grams. 8 grams contain pala siya, guys. And then when you open it, it's like that. It comes with a mirror and this brush. And it's really soft. The brush is really soft, guys. So might be we can try it. And yan, may cover pa. And this is the yan. So let's try kasi wala tayong contour masyado today. Ooh. You see it? Oh. Wow, it's look really natural, guys. Oh, I like this. I will try to contour my nose kasi you can see, hindi ako nakapag-contour ng aking nose today. So, I'm just gonna get my BH cosmetic brush. And then, let's see to try to contour my nose. Ang ganda ng shade niya, guys. It's really look natural. Ayan, may nose na tayo. Oh, I like the shade. Oh my God. In person, guys, it's really look. I'm not wearing any. Oh my God, I like this one. Siguro I will use this much. Kasi I love the ano niya, yung bronze niya. And then next is this, the Pore Professional. It's a pore primer. I got already like this, but I don't know where did I put it.
Where's the lid?
It's here. And next is this mascara. So, this is the Big Gal or Big Bang. So, this is the mascara. So, I love this mascara, guys. Kasi, I already, what do you call this one? I really need another one. But I still have few mascara na hindi ko na open. But, I love to try this mascara. But anyway, I'm just gonna get my... I'm just gonna use this mascara fully because I don't want to use... Oh, the bristle is really nice. Anyway, guys. It's kind of silicone brush. But anyway, I'm just gonna try this one. Kasi this one, this is, I'm gonna use for my client.
Where's my blush?
I don't know.
My makeup blush.
I don't know, Brianna.
I know mine.
Let's gonna try it.
Don't wait, then see. Don't wait, then now. Oh, here it is. Here's the blush. That in here. Don't wait, then no. Don't wait, then see. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? corner one here anyway. Let's do this again.
Ito nyo ba?
Don't whip them.
It's alright, guys. So, I'm just gonna throw that one away. But yeah, I'm super excited to use this one for my client. This is my first ever Benefit mascara, guys. And the bronzer, it's my first bronzer anyway. And next is, this is what I told you, that this product that I really wanted to try a long time ago. This is the MAC Prep. And Brianna, don't use that one. Oh my god.
I use a tiny bit.
Don't touch my makeup, please. Don't touch my
I
makeup.
just
Samukan kayo, guys ba? Don't touch it, please. I already told you, get off there, please.
no, I got
Get off there. So this is the MAC Prep and Primer. This is the Fix Plus. And I got the original one because now they have lots of Fix Plus they created. But this one is this. Ta-da! So I'm super excited to try this one because most of makeup artists, this is really highly recommended. And honestly, it's good for 24 months, which is 2 years. And it's 100 ml, which is marami siyang laman, guys. And the price is, I think, $39. It's alright. And then let's try it. Oh. Try ko nga. Ooh, really refreshing. Very refreshing. Oh, I love the spray, guys. But it's a little bit the mist is not that really fine. Not like I have my Morphe spray as well. Mist as well before, but it's empty already. And I love that one too, but I didn't order it yet. This one we will try this one because the Morphe one, it's like a spray bottle. It's like this. Parang ganito yung sa Morphe, guys. So this one is plastic and the Morphe is 10 container siya, yung ganito. But anyway, I think that's all for now for our unboxing today, and I'm super excited to try it. We're gonna do a review on it. So last time also I unboxing some foundation from LA Girl, and I'm super excited to do what do you call this one? Review. Oh, look at this is the Inglot, guys. Wow. It's smudge proof. Seriously? May konting ano siya sa kamay ko, but hindi siya nag-smudge here on my back of my hand. So I'm super excited that one. Hopefully you like my unboxing for today, and see you on my next one, guys. Salamat kayo, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, please also give some love to my brother. He got also a YouTube channel. His name is Climark Alcover vlog on his YouTube channel, and also I will put some of my YouTube friends on my description box below, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Salamat kaayo. Babush.
And I'm coming in your next one.
Si Babush.
Bye-bye.